Hello viewers, now I study, better to say we study an interesting character to find the identity element of a groupoid structure. Let's watch if this identity element exists or not. If G be a non-empty set such that decomposition be a groupoid structure where G be a non-empty set and composition be binary operation, given by or defined by A composition B is equal to A by B minus 1, and find identity element. If exist, and one more condition is given here, B is not equals to 1. It is clear because definition is incomplete, undefined terms. So from the given condition we are finding the identity element if exist. If possible, E belongs to G be the identity element. Then what happens? A composition E is equal to E composition A, that will be A, and now A composition E, that will be A by E minus 1, that is A by E minus 1, that will be A will be cancelled, that is here E minus 1 is equal to 1, imply E is equal to 2. And checking another condition, E composition A, that will be A. Just given things is imply that E by A minus 1 is equal to A, and which imply A is not equals to 1. So E is equal to A into A minus 1, and this is a conditional dependence, and it is clear the result that both are not same. We don't find it by the result and fixed result of E, that is E depends on A. So here E depend on A. So it is the left identity. Left identity doesn't exist. And hence we can't find identity element. And it is a very interesting result. Identity element doesn't exist here, and this type of conditional mathematical calculations or mathematical approaches is needed in short terms examinations. Also we can find that either identity element is 1, 2, or there are several options, or doesn't exist. So we can finally find our desired result that identity element doesn't exist. If exists, we find the same result here 2 and here also 2. So we end here. We end our discussion today. If you like this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.